Hey, welcome back to Gone with the Whisk. I'm Dakota. This is my co-host Whisk, and today we're taking down our Halloween decorations and getting set up for Christmas. So I went ahead and moved the village display to the other corner, see if it fit that right, because it's right by a doorway, kind of like in a little nook between a doorway and a closet. I want to make sure no one's going to bump into it as they're walking through. It looks like it should be safe, and then it shouldn't get knocked off. So I do like it there being in that little spot in the tree here. But what makes me iffy about the tree being here is that I got this thin pencil tree planning for it to be in that corner so it wouldn't take up much space. I just wonder if that's going to look odd in front of this big window, little tree. But if it does go here, it would be better for a pencil tree because it's not so, wouldn't come out quite as far this way because, again, that would push out coffee table even further into the walkway, and we'd only have like that much space between coffee table and dining table to squeeze between, so the small tree like this would definitely be beneficial here. So we'll just see how it looks. Okay, so it's currently 1:30 in the morning, and I do have to be up at 7 a.m. So I probably shouldn't be, setting up the street. But Whisk says it's a good idea, so who's to argue with that? So this tree is going to take a lot of work fluffing it out. Now that I see it set up, I'm definitely thinking it should probably go in the corner over there, just so it doesn't look so small. Although, no, look at it. It may be fine. Let's play with it and see. But yeah, I do like it. Let's see if it looks lit up. I think it looks great. The whole thing lit up, so that's always good. Found a branch. Just kind of stick it in there between us on purpose. Alright, so this is all I'm doing for tonight. It's 2 in the morning. But tomorrow I'll fluff this up, figure out what's going here in the corner, and start decorating. 'Twas a month before Christmas, and all through the house not a creature was stirring, because they had enough sense to be in the bed at 2 o'clock in the morning. So this morning I got up and I realized it looked like a piece of garland hanging from the ceiling, like a Christmas tree, and a Festivus pole had a baby, and that was it. So I tried it here, I tried it at the corner. It just looks stupid anywhere I put it. So while I was running errands this morning, I went to Walmart, got a bigger tree, and we're going to try that instead. really tacky, but just wait. Love it. Okay, so that's what I do for decorating Christmas. The tree, yeah, got ornaments that match the colors in the room already. There's a real peacock kind of color scheme to it, so that's why I have the little peacock tree topper up there. And then the village, I showed you everything but the bottom tier. It only has a building or two on it. I'm waiting for a piece to go on sale Black Friday and I can order. And then I can have the whole thing finished. But apart from that, and some stockings to put up. But apart from that, that's pretty much it for my Christmas decorations. I may find a few more things. I'm gonna think about getting some peacock feathers to stick in the tree, and if I see any neat ornaments that kind of match the colors, I might pick something up, but nothing major. Thanks for watching. If this is your first time here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the little bell for notifications. I have lots of videos on cooking recipes and also stuff like this and different hobbies and interests I do, so it's always something to watch, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Christmas whisk.